Good morning. My name is Upal Sonamne. I have completed my Viva Voce on the topic of the impact of customer expectation on cross-cultural marketing in the hotel hospitality industry, a comparative study in the UK and Indian hotels from Cardiff Metropolitan University, Wales, UK. I am pleased to extend my greetings to all the participants in this meeting. I believe the Information and Society Conference will become the source of innovative ideas for young researchers. I wish everyone a productive scientific communication. Today I would like to fix your attention on cross-cultural marketing model for promoting service quality in hospitality industry. One of the challenges for any cross-cultural marketing studies has been an absence of an integrated definition of cross-cultural marketing in the specialized dictionary and academic literature. Based on the major constituents of this definition, I suggest identifying cross-cultural marketing, a bias-free planned process of marketing among marketers with different cultural background and multinational customers. Accordingly, the next concern for cross-cultural marketing in the hotel hospitality sector make modern researcher answer the following question. Question 1. What is the interrelation of customer expectation and cross-cultural marketing in the hospitality industry? Question 2. What is the interconnection between the cultural background of management in hospitality organization and cross-cultural marketing strategy? Question 3. How will the data comparison of different countries establish effective marketing model in their hotel industry? This research has been made based on the data obtained in hospitality services in the UK and India. In order to find the relevant answers and gain insight into the consistent cross-cultural marketing model, the study is built on the incorporation of two conceptions. The first is the serve call instrument, which is a service quality measuring instrument designed by the Parshuraman, Zaitamel and Berry in 1985, with further implementations and reflections by the same author during the following 10 years, comprises five dimensions of the service quality, which are reliability, responsiveness, assurance, empathy, and tangibility. There are 22 service quality questions, for example, which provides providing services as promised and maintaining error-free records, readiness to respond to customer request, employee who instill confidence in customers, giving customer individual attention, employee who understand the needs for their customers, and visually appealing material associated with the services. These dimensions are enumerated as follows. You can see them on the slides. These dimensions are used in the process of data collection in order to reveal customer expectations and develop the zone of impact for the cross-cultural marketing model. You can see the circle part of the model with 5 dimension powers on the slides. The second is the CV scale instrument intricately linked with Ofsted cultural dimensions. You can see them on the slides as well. The CV scale formulated in the final form by Yo Dhontu and Lenartovich in 2011 contains Ofsted dimensions of culture and they are used for the surveys. Reflecting the cultural values of hotel managers and employees, they consisted of 5 statements measuring power distance, 5 statements for identifying uncertainty avoidance, 6 statements for detecting individualism versus collectivism parameters, 4 statements for marking masculinity versus femininity, and 6 statements for identifying long-term versus short-term orientation. These statements on the slides, they are analyzed for detection for the service performance mechanism in the impact zone of cross-cultural marketing model. You can see the serve call part of the model with the 5 dimension cultural powers on the slides. This research is the first of its kind in the cross-cultural study and one that has applied two conceptual framework in order to design the cross-cultural marketing model, the circle and the CV scale dimension. The impact zone formed inside the cross-cultural marketing model is the result of the circle and the CV scale incorporation that gives the insight for effective marketing strategies development. You can see them on the slides. This research reveals that there is indeed an impact of customers' expectation on cross-cultural marketing in the hotel hospitality industry. The finding of the comparative study undertaken with customers and management of hotels in India and the UK are used to develop the cross-cultural marketing model oriented at producing better service quality and effective international marketing strategy for the hotels in international market. About 20 recommendations arises as the result of the research. Some of them as follows. The UK hotel management need to analyze the customer expectation and needs for security assurance regarding their cultures and genders. Hoteliers have to pay more attention to establishing cross-cultural marketing department. This is especially recommended for the Indian hotel teams. Finding based on the serve call instrument goes against with the interpretation and analysis of the segment in the CV scale questionnaire discussed by the managers and employees in the hotels of the UK. Hence, the recommendation for the managers of the hotels in London is to be controlled the correspondence of services offered and provided to make the list of improvement needed according to the customers feedback contents. Summing up this session, I can state that the findings of this research can be generalized and strategies developed due to the cross-cultural marketing model can be applied in various segments of cross-cultural marketing. Thank you very much.